Good morning, children. I'm your teacher Simran D'Souza of LKG. Today, from General Awareness, my school, we are going to learn school and playground. So, children, can you see on page number 79? Yeah, school and playground. Can you see the picture? Yeah, the picture of a school. Can you see the playground? Yeah. What all can you see in the playground? School bus, swing, ball, seesaw, slide, merry-go-round. Some of you come by school bus, no children? Do anyone of you come by school bus? No, all of you come with mommy and daddy, correct? Yeah. But children, do you like playing in the swing? There's a park in our school. Have you seen the park in our school? It has a swing, it has a seesaw, it has a slide, and it has even a merry-go-round. Apart from that, there is a ball also for you to play in school, in the playground. Correct, no children? You like coming to school daily to play in the park. Yeah. So you find all these things in our playground. From page number 80, classroom. Can you see, children? Page number 80, classroom, read aloud. What can you see there? You can see a classroom with children. Yes, a classroom with children. And what does the classroom have in it? Apart from the teacher and children, what all you find in the classroom? Blackboard, where the teacher writes. Then you have the duster, which the teacher uses to rub the board. And you have a table for the teacher and for all of you. No, you all have tables. Then what else you have? Blocks. Do you have blocks in class? Yes, we have blocks in class. Building blocks in class to play with. We even have crayon or crayons. Different colored crayons we use to color our activity book. No? You all like coloring your activity book. So we have different color of crayons. And then we have a car toy. Can you see? We have a car toy also in the classroom to play with. Yeah. Now page number 81, children. You have to practice this. Look at the pictures. Circle the things you see in a school playground. Circle the things you see in a school playground. So you can see on page 81 there are 6 pictures. Some are which you have in the playground and you have in the classroom. So what you have to do, you have to circle the things which you find only in the playground. Okay? On page number 81. Now page number 82. Look at the pictures. Tick the things you see in a classroom. Look at the pictures. Tick the things you see in a classroom. So what you can see? Blackboard, crayon, book. You have the swing. Can you see all this on page number 82? What you have to do on page number 82? You only have to things you see in a classroom. If things don't belong in a classroom, what you have to do? You should not tick them. Okay, children? So you can do this activity also on page number 82. Now, library. Have you ever gone to a library, children? Not only the school library, there are even libraries outside apart from the school. What do you have seen there in a library? A library has full of books. What does a library have? Books. Lots of different kind of books. You'll have lots of bookshelves, cabinets, tables. No, you can find wherever you go, you can find books. It's very nice to see books in the library. Okay, who all do you find in a library? Can you guess? You see the library teacher. You see the library teacher. Then you see tables. Table or tables. Where the librarian will sit down. And you have tables for you where you sit down quietly and you read your books. If you have gone to the library, what will they say? please keep quiet or please maintain silence. No, that is because you should not disturb other people. You sit at a table with your chair, with your book, you can go through it. Some people, what they do, they take books and they take references or notes from the books. Correct? If you go and see some people who are very old, they will be taking any notes or references from the books. Then you have cabinet. Why do you use a cabinet? Bookshelves are called cabinets, where they are stacked inside in a glass cabinet where it doesn't occupy any dust. Okay, that's why we have cabinets. Then we have a phone. Then we have even phone in the library, because it's mostly all libraries are official, government. So what will happen? People will be calling and fixing appointments or fixing some kind of details with the people, finding out some details. When they open, we need a phone to have a conversation. Then there are children. Mostly in our school, what we'll do, we will have only children going to the library. Children will read in silence. They will not disturb their friends and they will not talk in the library. And mostly in the library, what will you find? Books. What will you find in the library? Books, lots of books. Comedy, then you have thrillers, you have horror, you have science fictions, you have novels, you have lots of different books in the library. So you can go through this on page number 83. So children, page number 84, can you see? Look at the picture, cross the ones you do not see in a library. So what do you have to do here? You have to cross the ones that you do not find in the library. So for example, there's a telephone. Can we cross it? No, we cannot cross it because we find it in the library. So what we don't find in the library, we have to cross. Okay, so you have to do this activity from page number 84 and you can submit the book on Wednesday.